Hey there, Playmo pals. Looks like Christmas has come a little bit early this year, sort of, kind of, but not really. We are reviewing today the Christmas or the holiday house from Playmobil. Alright everyone, welcome back. We are looking at Playmobil set number 70383, the holiday house set. This actually is just the house. There is another version of this for about $30 more than what I paid for this one. It has clickies and a whole bunch of furniture, including a Christmas tree and a chandelier and some Christmas presents. This one is not furnished in any way. Luckily, we have enough pieces to do the furnishing ourselves. So let's go ahead and check out the box. It's very simple. As you can tell, it is decorated for the holidays. It has holly and some Christmas ornaments and some lit up or sparkling or even blinking lights in the front, on the top and bottom. Then we have our house. The main difference between this house and the other townhouse that we have is that this one, first of all, is red. Secondly, the flooring is more of a cream or a brownish color, which we'll look at that in just a little while. But also the sidewalk, as you can see here, sorry for the glare, but anyway, we have patches of snow along the sidewalk. I'm hoping, without having seen this out of the box before, I'm hoping that the snow is optional. I'm hoping this is just a sticker rather than something that's actually printed onto the sidewalk, because the whole point of this is to maintain consistency, because what we're trying to do is build a city street, and by doing so we have to evenly place the sidewalk pieces right beside each other to get the desired effect. The top of the box, more holly, more leaves, more lights and bulbs. The bottom is where you'll find the choking hazards. The sides more or less are a continuation of the decorative Christmas art, but really nothing else. I think the pinkish and purple stripes going down the middle there are supposed to represent a ribbon around a present, but no further picture of the house. Finally, guys, we have the back of the box showing the inside of the house. This one, unlike the other townhouse, has only 2 floors. But that's enough of the package details. Let's go ahead and get this puppy open. Well, for starters, here's the floor. As you can see, it is that brown hue. I guess it's supposed to depict a wooden floor. Really not much to look at, but here is the second floor. But what I really want to see now is the sidewalk. And here it is. Let's see if that snow is part of the sidewalk or if it's something we can add on. Oh, this is perfect. But there is a little bit of a problem here. As you can see, the sidewalk is a dark gray. The regular townhouse has a lighter gray hue. Here they are put together. This is definitely darker. And I'm guessing that's supposed to represent a wet sidewalk, because as you know, your sidewalk, when it does get wet, it is darker. So, I mean, that's cool. I can live with this. But luckily for me, I do have another regular colored sidewalk that we can. Here are the stickers for the snow drifts. We're gonna not worry about this right now. I think we're going to go ahead and put this house together. By now I'm actually a pro, since I've already put a house together in a couple stores. So I'm gonna do this without any instructions. Let's get started. First of all, sorry for the setup today. We're doing something a little different, and this is just kind of what I'm dealing with right now. gosh, you guys, that was much harder than I thought it would be. I thought I would have this done a lot sooner, but I forgot that the window frames are different. The ones on the top floor have a lip so you can add hanging flower pots on the 3 of them, where the 2 on the bottom do not. Let's put this together with the other townhouse. Okay everyone, and here is the final result of our new townhouse. Here we have it posed beside the other townhouse. And here's our little city street, which has a bit of a, it's still a work in progress basically. I did build a park right here just to showcase that new snack stand. So hope you guys enjoyed this fix. It was pretty easy to put together, aside from the fact that I got the windows all mixed up there. Without the flower pots to go with it, it was easy to get confused. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow us on Instagram and subscribe if you haven't. Like the video and leave a comment. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.